don't you cry. Look up in the sky. It's not a plane, not Superman. No, it's a bird, do you understand? See now how they all have feathers. That's the way you can tell whether they are birds or they're not. Feathers are what they've got. Now there are creatures who can fly but won't be birds. I'll tell you why. Like bats or bees, they don't have feathers, so they don't get to call themselves
birds. Now have you heard? They have feathers. I'm talking about my feathered friends, cause that's the word.
Doves, blue jays, and sparrows, and don't forget those flamingos, parakeets and cockatoos, ducks and swans and snow geese too. Eagles, falcons, you know they're flying way up in the air, but there are birds who cannot fly. It's really true. Just ask Bill Nye. Like ostriches and penguins too, they're looking good, but they can't do that flying thing. But they're still birds, cause they have feathers. In other words,
birds. Now have you heard?